Looking for the best table saw to upgrade your workshop? In today's video, we're counting down the top 5 best table saws based on performance, cutting accuracy, power, safety features, and overall value. Whether you're a professional woodworker, contractor, or DIY enthusiast, this list will help you find the perfect table saw for your needs. Product links are available in the description below. Let's get started. Number 5 is the SKIL 15-amp portable Jobsite table saw. This is the best portable table saw for users who want power, precision, and easy transport in one package. It's designed to handle demanding cutting tasks while remaining compact enough for job site mobility and convenient storage. Equipped with a powerful 15-amp motor, this table saw easily cuts through hardwoods, framing lumber, and sheet materials with smooth and reliable performance. One of its standout features is the rack and pinion fence rail system, which keeps the fence perfectly parallel to the blade for fast, accurate, and smooth adjustments. It also features a 25.5-inch rip capacity, allowing you to cut large plywood sheets and other oversized materials with ease. The saw includes a 0 to 45 degrees bevel capacity with quick release adjustment, along with a 4x4 cutting capacity for efficient 90-degree cuts. Its integrated folding stand quickly collapses for portability and storage, making it ideal for moving between work sites. The dust port elbow helps direct debris into a container for easier cleanup, while the parallel blade alignment system ensures highly accurate cutting performance. Overall, if you need a reliable and portable job site table saw, this is definitely worth considering. Number 4 is the DEWALT 15-amp portable job site table saw. This is the most compact professional-grade table saw on our list, built for users who need portability without sacrificing cutting performance. It combines precision, durability, and convenience, making it a great option for both contractors and serious DIY users. Powered by a strong 15-amp motor running at 5,800 revolutions per minute, this saw handles a wide range of cutting applications with smooth and consistent results. The rack and pinion telescoping fence system allows quick and accurate fence adjustments while keeping everything perfectly aligned during cuts. With a 24.5-inch rip capacity, it can easily rip through plywood and large sheet materials, making it suitable for framing, cabinetry, and remodeling projects. One of the highlights is its durable metal roll cage base, which protects the saw from tough job site conditions. It also features onboard storage for the guard, miter gauge, push stick, and blade change wrenches, helping keep accessories organized and within reach. The Site Pro modular guarding system allows tool-free adjustments for added convenience and safety. Compact and lightweight, this table saw is easy to transport and store between projects. If you want a durable and highly portable table saw with professional-level accuracy, this one is definitely worth checking out. Number 3 is the EliteEdge 10-inch table saw. This is the best budget-friendly table saw for users looking for strong cutting performance and versatile features at an affordable price. It's designed for both DIY woodworking and professional projects, offering reliable power and precise cutting in a portable design. Equipped with a high-performance 15-amp motor, this table saw delivers speeds up to 5,000 revolutions per minute, making it capable of cutting hardwoods and other materials quickly and efficiently. It supports both 90-degree crosscuts and 0 to 45 degrees bevel cuts, giving you the flexibility to handle a variety of cutting tasks. The maximum cutting depth reaches 74 mm for straight cuts and 52 mm for bevel cuts, making it suitable for thicker materials and detailed woodworking projects. For improved safety, the saw includes a transparent blade guard that provides clear visibility while helping prevent accidental contact with the blade. A push stick is also included for added protection during operation. The rear dust collection port helps maintain a cleaner workspace by connecting directly to a dust collector. Its sturdy metal stand with reinforced triangle supports improves stability during use, while the side storage compartments keep accessories organized. Overall, if you want an affordable yet capable table saw with dependable performance, this is a solid option to consider. Number 2 is the SKIL 15-amp portable job site table saw. This is the best option for users who want a compact and easy-to-use table saw for home improvement and job site projects. It delivers strong cutting performance while maintaining a lightweight and portable design, making it ideal for contractors, remodelers, and DIY enthusiasts alike. Powered by a reliable 15-amp motor, this table saw can handle everything from ripping plywood sheets to cross-cutting framing lumber and creating dado joints. One of its key features is the rack and pinion fence rail system, which keeps the fence aligned parallel to the blade for smooth, accurate, and consistent cuts. It also offers an impressive 24.5-inch rip capacity on the right side and 12 inches on the left, allowing you to work comfortably with larger materials. The saw provides a maximum cutting depth of 2.5 inches at 0 degrees, making it capable of cutting through 3x material in a single pass. Its aluminum tabletop enhances durability while delivering precise cutting performance. The compact size makes transportation and storage easy between projects, and the dust port elbow helps direct sawdust for faster cleanup. A built-in safety switch provides immediate shutdown for additional protection during operation. If you want a compact table saw with dependable accuracy and portability, this is an excellent choice. Number 1 is the Evolutioner 10TBLX 10-inch Jobsite table saw. This is the best overall Jobsite table saw on our list and our top recommendation for professionals who need power, versatility, and precision in one machine. It's designed to handle demanding cutting applications while offering the flexibility to work with multiple materials. Powered by a high-torque 15-amp motor with soft start technology, this saw delivers smooth startup performance and excellent cutting power for wood, aluminum, mild steel, and composite materials. One of its biggest highlights is the precision cutting system, which includes a rack and pinion fence setup for highly accurate and repeatable cuts. It offers a generous 26-inch rip capacity along with a maximum cut depth of 3 3/8 inches, making it suitable for large boards and heavy-duty projects. The integrated crosscut sled and zero-clearance throat plate help improve cutting precision while reducing tear-out for cleaner finishes. For portability, it comes with a collapsible wheel stand featuring all-terrain wheels and a quick fold system for easy transport around the job site. It also includes advanced safety features such as an electronic blade brake, anti-kickback pawls, and a riving knife for safer operation. Overall, if you need a professional-grade table saw with excellent versatility and cutting performance, this is a fantastic investment. That's our list of the top 5 best table saws. We hope this guide helped you find the right model for your projects. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tool reviews and buying guides.